in here. There's something different, Daddy.
Tell me about your painting.
They're all matched to the color, but why are the colors mixed together?
I don't know. You're the one who made the painting.
So, see, I'm mixing up the colors, so it'll be dark outside. See, this is outside, and the sun goes all the way down here, but and that's the sidewalk, and that's the water part. So, and I put some orange there because the sun is setting it down in that pink.
Wow. Can you tell me about another painting too?
That blue part, that's the water. So, he's swimming all the way to the water park.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a great painting. What do you name this painting?
And look what he's doing. And that crocodile is singing a song.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the crocodile?
That blue part right there.
That's the crocodile?
Yeah, and that other blue part is the tail. And you know what? The real crocodile is singing. The real crocodile.
What's it singing?
What do you think, Daddy? Do you know what's the green part? This green part tells you what song it's going to. And so, Daddy, this part is the song area. What song is it singing on the green part?
I don't know. You're the artist. You tell me.
Look on the green part. Look on the green part, Daddy.
I'm looking. What song do you see?
They're singing Jingle Bells.
Jingle Bells. Huh.
So that's the end of my painting.
Thank you, Devesh. I appreciate that.
And I will show you another painting.
Okay.